Ladies, I got something I want to tell y'all. At my age in life, I thought I had it going on till I met this young cowboy. Honey, he's nothing but a prime book. And I got something I want to tell y'all. I thought I'd done it all, but I was wrong. This cowboy's got a style that's bad to the bone. The things he did to me still got me wearing a smile. Yeah. So you ain't had nothing until you've had it, cowboy style. He said, bend over, baby, back that thing up. I'm gonna put you in a huckleberry. I'm gonna make it good and work your while. Yes, I am. 'Cause you ain't had nothing until you've had cowboy style. Woo! Now all you city girls that think you're too pretty, so high class and so sedated, let me tell you something, you've been really missing out. Yeah. 'Cause you ain't had nothing until you've had it, cowboy style. He said, bend over, baby, back that thing up. I'm gonna put you in a huckleberry. I'm gonna make it good and work your while. Yes, I will. 'Cause you ain't had nothing until you've had it, cowboy style. Woo! Giddy up, boy. Come on, cowboy. Woo! 'Cause you ain't had nothing until you've had it, cowboy style. Woo! He took me to the bedroom, he made me scream and shout. But he took me to the stables and he really turned me out. He tamed his pony and he rode it for miles. Yes, he did. But you ain't had nothing until you've had it, cowboy style. Woo! He said, bend over, baby, and back this thing up. I'm gonna put you in a huckleberry. I'm gonna make it good and work your while. Yes, I am. 'Cause you ain't had nothing until you've had it, cowboy style. Woo! We got 'em short, tall, large and small. When it comes to a cowboy, he can handle them all. Just let him have it. You'll have a ball. Yes, you will. And before the night is over, you'll tell him, boy, you can have it all. Come on, cowboy. This time I'm gonna let you ride. Oh, get me up now. 'Cause you ain't had